Hey guys, it's Matt here. Welcome back. If you haven't already, definitely do check out my iPhone 11 unboxing video. The link will be down below. But today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the iPhone 11 Pro Max. So super exciting, super pricey, but a great phone, I'm sure. Okay, so here's the actual phone. It's still in the box. It's still sealed, literally just arrived. You obviously have that new quick tab, so you can easily go ahead and pull off the plastic, which is really nice and appreciated. And then you have that slow unboxing where the hype builds up until the top of the box lifts off. And right there's the new iPhone. It's face down so you can see the new back, the camera layout, and obviously you can see that new glass finish as well, which is matte, so it's going to be less of a fingerprint magnet. And you've also got the new wide angle sensor, which I'll be comparing at the end of this video, as well as showing off the new night mode. But it is definitely a really nice device. It's really just personal choice whether you like that glossy look. But for me, the Pro looks really nice, and I imagine it will stay a lot cleaner and less gross than the glossy one would. So I appreciate that, and I really do like matte black, so definitely really nice for me. Going back onto the front, it pretty much looks like the XS Max from last year. You have a very similar screen, no more 3D touch. You have 1200 nits of brightness, and you also have a 2,000,000:1 contrast ratio. But let's just go ahead and peel off the screen protector. Wow, that was nice. And then going back to the box, here's the quick start guide. You get your standard setup information about how to work the iPhone, and you also get a SIM card ejection tool, as well as obviously the Apple stickers, which are pretty much why you buy this phone, right? But to be honest, I wish they had black ones. That would have been cool. Anyway, side by side, here's the S10 Plus next to the 11 Pro Max, and they're very similar in size. The S10 Plus is definitely a lot lighter, and it's also a lot thinner, and it's less wide, so it's a little bit more sharp in the hand. The iPhone's more rounded, so it's definitely comfortable to hold the iPhone. It's maybe more slippery, the iPhone in the hand, but it does feel nice and smooth, and the sharp edge doesn't stick into your hand when holding it, which is appreciated. But both of these are pretty beautiful. You can obviously see the difference in black between the grey on the iPhone. And then here's compared to last year's XS Max. They are very similar in terms of dimensions. The Apple logo's moved down slightly. It's a little bit heavier, and you have the new camera layout. But now let's just go and set it up, and we are going to move on to talk about the performance. So performance for me has been exceptionally good. It's apparently 40% more efficient, which leads to around 5 hours more screen on time. So I'm going to be testing it, and definitely will mention this in a review if I do see an improvement in battery life. But it comes with iOS 13 in the box. iOS 13.1 is due to come out really soon because apparently it's not very stable, iOS 13, so. But it's really nice. You have the new dark mode, faster performance, better battery life, the new haptic touch over 3D touch, which is still something to get used to. You have the new faster face unlock, and something really nice is that it actually works at better angles. So when it's on the actual desk, you'll be able to unlock your phone without actually picking it up or bending forwards over it, which is super handy for when you're working and you just want to go on your phone and check something. You don't have to pick it up. Now I'm just going to run a Geekbench between the S10 Plus and the 11 Pro Max. I'm assuming the Pro Max is going to win. It's almost guaranteed to win considering the XS Max was better. And of course it is 13,864 multi-core, 5,485 single core. So it's a pretty big improvement from last year, and it's also a jump up from the actual S10 Plus as well. So probably one of the most powerful phones out right now. And again, I did an Antutu benchmark as well, and it scored a lot higher at 13,000 more on this score. So iPhone 11 Pro Max, without any doubt, is definitely the most powerful phone out right now. But now we're just going to move on to do a little comparison between the cameras. So I'm just going to show you the front camera because it does have a new wide angle mode, and then we're going to compare it to the S10 Plus. So this is standard, and it actually automatically went wide, so I didn't even need to click anything. And as you can see, there's very little distortion. The room was kind of lit from artificial lights we had set up for the video, but it did a pretty good job in terms of the color accuracy, sharpness, and not that much noise. Night mode is still probably going to improve, but to me, I still believe the S10 Plus looks a little bit better. The yellow is very strong on the iPhone. The color balance I just feel is a little bit off, and it's just not very sharp on wide angle when in the night mode. It's kind of overblowing some of the light, and it's just a little bit noisy for me. Again, with this sign, the iPhone's just really yellow, which felt kind of unnatural because it looked more like on the S10 Plus, so we'll have to see. And I'm going to be doing some more camera comparisons in the light and some video comparisons, and we're going to go around and take loads of pictures on the iPhone XS, the 11 Pro Max, and obviously on the S10. And we'll compare them all, so if you want to stick around for that, definitely subscribe and keep up to date with my videos. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. That's just my short unboxing with a little bit of a comparison to some previous phones. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace out.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through ice covered in